Vendors of fireworks and noisemakers in a market at Barangay Tantangsora, Quezon City noticed fewer sales on Tuesday, December 31, even as the year comes to a close in just a few hours. Kyle Omar, a fireworks vendor, says there were fewer buyers compared to last year.
Mas matumal ngayon, boss. Kasi konti lang yung bumibili. Hindi naman malaki tinutubo namin dito, sir.
Jeneline Gayo Villas, who sells torotot or horns, likewise laments the slower pickup of sales. She says she tried to keep the prices of her goods low, believing that many fellow Filipinos are in a tight budget this year.
Kailangan din talaga na maging cheaper kasi syempre alam naman natin yung mga budget ng mga customer natin. Last year kasi medyo mas mabilis pero unlike talaga po ngayon, medyo sabihin natin words na matumal. Pero kahit sa matumal, kinakailangan po natin din po na makapabenta po tayo.
Meanwhile, Eric Obsemea, a customer, says he noticed an increase in the prices of fireworks compared to last year.
Sigit na mas mataas ang presyo kumpara nung last year, pero kung maghahanap ka naman sa paligid, makakakuha ka naman ng mga bargain. Meron naman mga mababait na nagtitinda na kapwa mong Pilipino rito sa palengke.
Obsemea also cautions his fellow buyers to carefully light their fireworks.
Konting ingat, kung mas maganda, meron kayong mahabang kahoy, tapos nasa dulo yung pinaka-apoy, yun yung mag-i-sparkle, pansindi sa mitya, para may extension pa, malayo ang kamay mo dun sa paputok o sa sparkler.
The Department of Health discourages the use of fireworks, noting the risk of injury and harm, especially to children. According to the DOH, the use of firecrackers can result in eye injuries, burns, and even severed fingers or limbs.